Black gram, also known as urad dal, is a type of lentil that has been cultivated in India for centuries. It is a rich source of various nutrients and offers several health benefits. Here are some of the potential benefits of black gram. 1. High in protein. Black gram is an excellent source of plant-based protein, making it a valuable food for vegetarians and vegans. Protein is essential for the repair and maintenance of tissues, as well as the production of enzymes and hormones. 2. Rich in fiber. The high fiber content in black gram helps in promoting digestive health. It aids in preventing constipation, promoting regular bowel movements, and supporting overall gut health. 3. Good for heart health. Black gram contains potassium, which is known to help maintain blood pressure levels. Additionally, the fiber content helps in reducing cholesterol levels, thereby supporting heart health. 4. Rich in iron. Black gram is a good source of iron, a crucial component of hemoglobin. Adequate iron intake helps prevent anemia and ensures the proper oxygenation of tissues and organs. 5. Boosts energy. The carbohydrates in black gram provide a quick and sustained source of energy, making it a good food choice for individuals with an active lifestyle. 6. Regulates blood sugar. Some studies suggest that black gram may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it potentially beneficial for individuals with diabetes. The fiber content contributes to better blood sugar control. 7. Contains essential nutrients. Black gram is a good source of essential nutrients such as magnesium, potassium, calcium, and B vitamins. These nutrients play vital roles in various bodily functions, including bone health, nerve function, and energy metabolism. 8. Antioxidant properties. Black gram contains antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals in the body, protecting cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. 9. Aids weight management. The combination of protein and fiber in black gram can contribute to a feeling of fullness, which may help with weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. 10. Supports skin health. The nutrients in black gram, including vitamins and minerals, contribute to healthy skin. Additionally, the antioxidants in black gram help combat free radicals that can contribute to skin aging.